Hey, y'all pull up to the rum next time. Y'all see what happens.
What's gonna happen? He said he could guard me, bro. Nobody in the world can guard me, bro. I mean, I don't care who you are. Don't play with me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out back to the basket. So they want to go back to the basket. BCS 5-on-5 game. I don't care who they bring. They're not beating us, bro. Put a pair of these up. We can get a size 11. We'll put these up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the basket, man. We're here at Portland's biggest sneaker event, RoseCitySneakerFest. We're doing this twice a year, bro. You guys see me play people one-on-one. Today, we're just buying sneakers. So come on, come. Bro, I cannot speak right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. Snoop on a shelf. Crazy. Yeah, we had to come show love. Hurry up, shout your brand out quick.
_illustrate.
Art goes nuts.
Bird Beezy.
Oh yeah, Bird Bennett.
In the flesh. You're not here with us, but you're here with us in spirit. And a painting.
Type. Oh yeah, a bunch of Yeezy slides. Are all the slides used? Yeah? All right, my boys got a lot of Yeezy slides. Some of them are new, some of them are used. We're mainly looking for new right now. Oh, we got some heat though. Sheesh, okay. Absolutely destroyed, but you know what I'm saying? Yo, look at that. $200 for an off-white. $200, is this a good deal, yes or no?
Are they used?
Yeah, beat. Look at that. 200 though.
200? I mean, yeah.
That's solid. That's solid. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. They got some stuff. Hey, do you know what a Jordan 17 is?
I mean, I know they have hella, but I haven't seen one.
I got you. If you see me with a giant box, come find me and I'll show you what it looks like, all right?
All right.
He got some like different stuff though.
Off any heat yet?
Yeah, bro, I got a whole cart full. Look at him still trying to move these dang frags. I know, bro. Bro, somebody, you might as well sell them for like 8, 9. You know what I'm saying?
For 900, bro.
You might as well. If I got money left over at the end, bro, I got you. But look though, look, that's some like the Fear God Vans. These were a wave back in the day. All right, I don't know where Keyshawn went, but yeah, this table is just a lot of pre-owned stuff. We need new. You should probably clean his shoes a little bit more. It might help the resale value. What's up, player? Size 7, 7.5, anything off the top of your head? Where have you been? I've been around.
Soulfly 13, 7.
Ooh, tough. What about Dunks, 4s?
These are grade school 7Y.
7Y. Jordan 4 Craft, 7 Youth, got them at 160. 10 off, 150. Yeah, cool, let's do it. Locked in. Jordan 4 Craft and a 7 Youth. These are great for kids. The 150 not at a bad price. That's kind of what they're going for. Why am I talking into this shoe like it's a microphone? All right, this is our new microphone for the day. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see what else we can find. Stay tuned because we're buying even more shoes.
Even more.
Let's get it. All right, we are trying to get some pandas. We have size 3.5, 4, 5, 6.5. You have them at 130, 85 retail, all of them. Oh, I'm looking off stock. 85, you want 90. You want to do 85? I mean, some pairs are at 85. You know what I'm saying?
90 already.
90 for all?
Yeah.
Make my job easy, yeah. Let's do it. Bet. Hey, Les. That was easy. See, this is like half of what I needed right here, bro. I appreciate you. $90 each. Great deal. Appreciate you. Hey, this is great marketing right here. Free candy? Hey, man, we might around just get all the things we need right here.
Take those corduroys up.
Hell no, bro. Those corduroys have not been moving, man.
Really?
Hey, yeah, these corduroys, people like the color, they just don't like the material. You know what I mean? But I think it's a nice shoe. You said 115 for all of these. So 115 times 4, and then plus 360, 820, 8 flat. Getting rid of all these brick dunks that are gonna restock anyways. Before they all drop to $80, and you know they're gonna restock them. You feel me? Yeah. Another extra 20 off. I'm grabbing 8 pairs.
810.
That's cool. Let's do it? Cool. Let's go. Okay, we got 8 pairs of dunks, olives, and then pandas. Total is 820. Got them down to 810. I think it's a good deal. Let's do it. He wants to sell me his fragments, size 11, dead stock. Told him I'm not buying heat today, but you know what I'm saying? If the price is right, I mean, realistically, what do you want for them?
Shit like 1.2, 1.3, I don't know.
That's not a bad price, bro. Have you taken them around yet?
I have taken them some people, but they try to roll on me. They try to offer me like 900, 800. I'm trying to get like at least a band.
Yeah, at least a band. Find a boost with the most sneakers, and they'll do a band, bro. I'm telling you.
I have gone to them, but they're like, oh, we ain't buying.
It is hard to sell these like expensive sneakers nowadays, so I get it.
Knowing you can probably profit off these. You got hella connections.
I mean, but it's just like selling a $2,000 shoe nowadays is hard, bro. If I don't find anything today, I will find you. Hold on to those, and we'll talk. All right?
That's a bet.
Hey, hold on. That's a hot take. That's a very hot take. Hold on, bro. So y'all comment down below the new DMP Gratitudes, whatever the hell you want to call them, or Concords.
Concords all the way.
Yeah, Concords. Concords over the new DMPs?
Yeah,
Concords are new DMPs.
the gratitudes, bro.
Gratitudes, bro. I I don't know. The material is great and it's a beautiful shoe. Don't get me wrong, but it's like you should have just called it the DMP or the reimagined DMP. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know.
Better box.
I didn't even see what box it came in.
If it came with an OG box, then we could have talked something.
Oh wow.
OG box and the, how do you call it, the little plastic lid?
Yeah. Dang, they put a different box. Nah.
All gold.
That ain't it, bro. I'm not messing with these though. I do not like these.
Yes, we just locked in a size 4 Jordan 3 reimagined. Great classic shoe, goes with everything. We locked it in for the 140.
This is a beautiful shoe. This is one of the reimagined that I actually like. A lot of them, Royals, trash. We got another Jordan 4 Craft for you. Boom, another beautiful shoe.
Second pickup of the day.
Yep, we got 6 youth earlier. We got a 4 now. Ooh, what you got over here? What'd you just buy?
I just bought some purple socks from the backyard.
Those are fire.
She got purple, blue, teal.
Only $5? $5.
Only $5.
Okay, only $5.
Only $5.
Fire, okay. This is your brand? This is your brand?
Yeah, it's my husband's brand. Of course, he stepped away right at this,
Yeah,
this time.
right.
But
Got you, for sure.
We just locked in a Jordan 4 Thunder, size 6.5 for $190, great price. We had an offer with another table for his same size, same exact one for $200. Came through to the homies, they locked it in for $190. Shout out Keen Soul PDS for the one time.
All right, first time in person. Mom in your Jordan 5. What are you thinking?
It does. I like it.
Like, you like these or the other pair?
Oh, this pair, way more.
I do think I like these a little bit more too. I feel like a lot more wearable. Like that other pair is gonna get dirty right away.
That's a summertime pair only for the other pair, the Dawn, but the Dust is all year round.
Yeah.
Of course, you can never go wrong with the black, and they really killed it.
Yeah.
I saw a picture with the sail laces on them, just like Jordan wore back in the day.
Yeah, these are nuts,
But
bro.
the attention to detail, the armor and the air buttle, never before seen.
Yeah.
Like we were talking earlier, the A's on the in,
Oh yeah, look at this real quick, P.
on the out, and on the inside of the shoe, it does the A's as well.
And then on the inside, you can't really tell, but if you look closely, the stitching on the inside is Alma print as well.
And I love how it's not thick like all the other 5s. They did it more like the off-white 5s.
It's like a deconstructed, yep. And then now Alma in your air bubble. That's absolutely crazy. Y'all let us know in the comments, you taking these or the other ones? All right, we got a whole bunch of pairs. I don't even want to count them, but yeah, we're stocked up. That was super quick. We're at the last booth here right now, Textile. Looks like they have a whole bunch of shoes. We're now looking for Jordan 4s. What's your lowest on here?
435 for both.
435? Let's go 430. I'll grab both. Yeah? My boy. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Yes, sir. I think we're done, bro, because this is absolutely insane. We've copped so many shoes in a very short amount of time.
All right, for our final buy of the day from Textile, we got the Midnight Navy 4, size 7. No, we got to finish up filling our size 7 wall. And of course, to end it off, the Red Cement 4s, size 7 as well. Shout out Textile.
You say you don't like them?
They different, you know.
They different. It's a lot.
It is a lot.
It's a lot.
It's definitely a lot.
Yeah.
Literally.
And I like the idea for sure. And it's like the kid is crazy creative. Like who made this? Yeah. We were about to get a pair early, but I just thought they were gonna go down. But the hype is like real. People are fucking with them. I'm not mad.
Dornbecker it's gonna go up.
Yeah, true. That cool, especially a Dornbecker Jordan. Yeah. Y'all tell me. Yeah, or 3. That exactly. He said he got it a Jordan 4. That boy a new sneakerhead. But y'all let us know, man. Y'all messing with these? Let us know in the comments. DB3s. Y'all got that shit on. Y'all got that shit. Okay, what's the plug? What's the secret? I need to know.
What's the secret? What do you mean?
What's the secret, bro? Nobody has reverse Grinches on deck like this. What's the secret, bro? You gotta tell me.
Man, I know someone that knows someone that knows someone.
Yeah, tight shit. Okay, I feel you. Okay, the question is though, what do you guys have these at? Market went down.
Yeah, they went down. We got the size 12 at 500, 450 on the 8.
I need a size 11 for the personal, for real. You got a size 11?
Yeah, just come see us tomorrow.
Damn, all right, bet. That's cap, bro. What did you just say? Hold on. What is this nonsense? Say this again.
Hey, y'all pull up to the runs next time. Y'all see what happens.
What's gonna happen? Cap, that's what's gonna happen. He said he could guard me, bro. Nobody in the world can guard me, bro. I mean, I don't care who you are. Don't play with me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out back to the basket. So they want to go back to the basket. BCS 5-on-5 game. I don't care who they bring. They're not beating us, bro.
He said he don't care who we bring.
I don't care who. Yeah. Shit. What?
Boys only.
All right, man. They gonna start hiring NBA players and shit. Everybody right here. If it's everybody right right here, we smoke.
Dre's not on the squad.
You can have Dre. That's what I'm saying.
You don't want
You can have. Come on, bro. They must not know. They must not know, bro. Come on. Put a pair of these up. We can get a size 11. We'll put these up. You got a size 11? All right, man. Say that. Hey, you see it, man. BCS. Back to the basket.
be like, I'm gonna message you. I'm gonna say, you ready?
All right, come on. We with it. All right, man. That was a beautiful video. We have a bunch of sneakers. This car was empty like what?
45 minutes ago.
45 minutes ago, and then we laced you guys up. These will be available at the shop for a minute.
Online for all our fans around the world. We got the best price in the world, so they'll be available on backtothebasket.com.
Yep. We are the home of Nike, and compared to all the shops locally, we have the best prices in the world. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe even a minute.
They'll tell you. They'll tell you. You know what I'm saying? But that's what we do for you guys. You know, we make sure we have the best prices. Nope. All right. Cool. Awesome. Cool. Yeah. But yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share this to your friends. We could do a lot more stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe.
Come to a state near you.
Never know. Back to the basket travels. Tight, tight. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Welcome back to the basket. We out. Peace. What'd you say?
Nana's talking to me.
Nana wants me? Okay. Those are nice. Christmas is coming up. God, begging. You buy me some shoes.